Hello friends, welcome to our next part of this tutorial, how to use get method in PHP using MySQL. As we have done before, we have created a database, we have created a table, we have done with the for we have inserted the data. Now what we will do in this tutorial, we are going to fetch the data in a PHP page, and we will use a get method in that data. So right now I'm going to be create a page that is known as index.php. In this page, what I will do, I will fetch laptops, mobiles as we have inserted before. You can see. So if you want to data, what I will do first, I'm going to be create a function that is known as functions.php. In this page, I will require all my pages where I stored my connection or configuration. So what I will do, I will require the connect.php because connect.php contains my connections. Now I will say function. What is the function? Products. Now what I will do, I will create one t is equal to mysql underscore query name from products. I want to fetch all the data, so I will use while loop here. $r is equal to mysql underscore fetch underscore I will use the t variable. Now echo I will use name because my column name is name. If I have started li here, so before the li I have to use the ul as well, so I'm doing ul before the loop. Now what I will do, I will go to the index page and first of all require this function page. Now where I want to use the functions, I will call products. Now what I will do, I will check my page. You can see I have 3 laptops and mobiles. Now I want once I just click on the laptops and mobiles, it will go to the items.php where it will send the ID of the laptop, it will send the ID of the mobile, so that we can fetch the item of laptops of mobiles depending where I have clicked. So what I will do right now, first I will go here, I say href, now single inverted commas, now $r, oh sorry, I don't use ID right now, I have first items.php. Okay, now I have to close the. Now you can see what has happened. Clicking on laptops will go to the PHP, clicking on mobiles will go to the PHP. Now I also want values of the ID so that I can retrieve there, I can use it for fetching. So I say question mark ID is equal to RID. So first of all I have to use the ID, then I have to call it, because if I am not select the ID, it will not fetch. So now you can see what happened. Now clicking on laptops will send the ID, clicking on mobiles will send the value of the ID in the ID variable. Now what I will do, I will save as the index.php items.php. So now in items.php what I want to fetch the items or mobile laptops. So you can see I have the items. It's 2 means it's mobile, 2 means it's mobile, 1 means it's laptops, because you see the id is here, laptops id is 1, id is 2. So I will come here, I will again copy this same function because I want to do similar kind of things here. I say items. Now I want to fetch a name. Okay, I don't want to fetch id. Say what's my table name? My name is item. I will check it. My table name is item. Now I don't want to link it. I want it just be on the same page. It won't go anywhere. So I'm removing link. You can see. Now it will fetch all items. First I'm just putting all items so that we can filter the data later. You can see. So items are just fetched. All are fetched. But the items now fetch, that it will fetch according to the id. So what I will do, say where id is equal to dollar, or I say id is equal to 2, it will fetch only 2. I will fetch 1, it will fetch 1. So I say x. What I will do, I will pass some parameter here. You can see I have just passed some variable, and the variable I have used here. So now the value of variable I have passed, I will take from the URL. You can see. Now what happened? Whatever the ID that the U from, it will take from the URL. It will send to here. If it's lost to, then it will file the result as the ID. Now you can see. Now I'm going back. Now clicking on laptops, sending the laptops. Clicking on mobile, showing the mobile. That is known as, now the same page I am getting all my items. Now I have just only need to create only 2 pages. First of my products and second is of my items. If you have multiple products in your website, you can just fetch your products in one page, and then you can fetch the items of your products in just next page. So with the help of PHP, we can reuse the page again and again, So this is the benefit of dynamic. So the ID which is going is in the URL. We can just decode it. We can encode it wherever, whenever we want actually. So this is known as GET. This tutorial is very helpful for you guys. Please subscribe us for the next important tutorials of PHP. Thanks for watching us. Have a nice time to you. This is Ashwin.